you guys might recognize this site because we just did a couple videos in one single day. We just did the Beamer World GT Swan Neck Wing. It looks insane. I've said it several times. Can't get over how ridiculous this thing is. I may not redo the mounts. Originally I was thinking about making the mounts 1 inch taller. Probably gonna keep them. End plates, they definitely gotta go. Sorry Beamer World. The hood. Fitment is not as perfect as OEM, but it's pretty close. I'm gonna keep messing with it. And look inside the scoop. Like I said in the last video, we have Bayoptic headlights. That's what today's video is all about. We're gonna install some new Bayoptic headlights. I went ahead with the X Concept hexagon headlight that they have to offer, the white and blue, because you can also get white or red. These headlights look pretty much brand new, look really good. On my last M4, all I did was take them apart and I blacked it out, which they were not LED. Which brings me to Bayoptic's service. Originally, I bought these headlights for my last M4 that caught fire. They were not LED. So I had those sitting around for like 6-7 months in my room. And then I got this car and it had laser lights. So I hit Bayoptic, said, look, here's the scenario, here's what happened. Can I just do an exchange and pay the difference? And obviously I'll pay for the shipping. They said yes. It did take quite some time because they wanted me to send the other ones in first and then pay, and then they sent me these. Ruben over here carrying an oil filter. That's freshly out of a hot F80, man. You're brave. I always use a rag. Are you burned? Dude. So when you open this up, you'll see 2 more boxes. And I like the fact they gave me stickers and license plate frame this time around. They didn't give me that last time. And then this is the wiring, which I have no clue what to do with. So we'll learn that together. So it looks like there's a warranty owner's manual taped to this box.
Oh, it's tight fit.
Just use a handy dandy key.
Oh, they got the plastic thing.
Bubble wrap. Can't resist.
Oh, really hard to resist.
So these are off of another car. People send them in and they build them. So I'll probably clean it up a little bit better. I did choose to go with a new lens and went ahead and put PPF on there. I didn't want to install these until after paint, but they are waiting on my headlights because they give you money back if you return your old headlights. So that's one reason why we're doing this. Hopefully I don't chip them up. So here we go. So as you can see, the halo shape is now a hexagon. They're just as thick, and then there's that X Concept style. It looks pretty good. I think those look crazier once they're actually running as well. Now, first thing you need to do to get these headlights off is lift the car up, take the wheels off, take the inner liner off, take the bumper off, and then there's bolts on top and in the inside that are holding the headlight on. Ruben is power washing his car, but if you've never taken off a bumper, it's 2 bolts on the far side, all your Torx up on top, and then you have little 8mm all down at the bottom. You have a clip here. For the clip here, all you do is push down that and pull out. So pretty simple. There's one plug that I didn't take off. I'm not gonna take it off. It's plenty out of the way. The next step for the headlight removal is going to be a Torx. And there's 2 Torx in the back. So there's a Torx here, and there's another one back there, which is really dark. Just know it's there. So the 2 bolts that I'm talking about, there's one there, the back of the headlight. Make sure you don't use power tools on those because those can strip really easy. If you do strip it, it's a 10 mil. There'll be a 10 mil on the outer side, and then you have the Torx that's on top that you already saw, and then the other Torx. And then the clip is kind of frustrating to get off, but just work at it, you'll get it, and then you'll know how to do the next one. I mean, that's really how you learn. Once you get the headlight off, Bayoptic does not provide you with all the modules. You just take a T15 and you take each module off one at a time, unplug them, put it on the new headlight. There's a red and yellow wire that actually connect both headlights if you have the X Concept. I ran it above the crash bar for now. I'll probably relocate it. There's a lot of slack. and then you connect it to the other. Make sure red goes red, yellow goes yellow. Apparently if you cross them, it will void the warranty and your LEDs will actually blow. Then I connected the other cables, which again, passenger side or driver's side will actually go along the crash bar to the driver's side. And then there's a relay here. I'm gonna zip tie everything up very high. I ran it underneath the intake, which is all covered up. I ran it around and into here. There's an extraction of a fuse, which is this fuse box. And then the positive wire, and then the ground wire is right there. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the headlights, not bolt anything down, and I'm gonna test it out.
You want me to film? Oh my god!
Boom!
Nice! Look at that!
So here, I have a remote. A turns it off, A turns it on, B changes the color blue or white. That's it.
Beautiful.
That's very nice. So I just got to button everything up, and then when I take the front end apart again, I'll probably do a better job wire tucking. Again, you could probably just get away with zip tying the extra wires up and then running along the cross bar.